Okay, so this is the audio level you're going to get. I'm sorry, it's not the best, but that's where it's going to be just for a minute or two until I fix the rest of it. So today I'm playing Space Engineers. Pretty simple game, they say. Just waiting for daylight, really, because at the moment it's a little dark. Not that that really matters. I've got energy and such on me, so I can fly about. But I'm just going to quickly show you Izzy solar panels. They work nicely. They do what they can. Solar panels aren't the greatest. No point putting a wind generator on them, because the direction of the wind is not the concern. The height of the wind turbines are, though. I've written a little piece up on them. I'm trying to do it brick for brick. So when we join, so for example, as much as it needs to be tidied up, the battery is 12 megawatts that it can hold. Sorry, 3 megawatts per hour. Yeah, so its amperature is 3 megawatts, its power voltage is 12 megawatts. Yeah, so on the output of the wind generators, still need to check if surrounding environments matter, but these are the sort of the max outputs that you can get for each height. So 9 seems to be the highest at 371.55. That doesn't look right, so maybe 7 is the sweet spot. I don't really play with the heights because, as you can see, it's only a few hundred kilowatts. So really, as you can see over at Izzy, the wind turbines will only bring out 1.1 megawatts, but it's enough. Solar panels, only 4 of them, 604 kilowatts. Yeah, 640 kilowatts. The back. So, oh no, I haven't installed a reactor yet. That's probably why that's not showing. And it's actually lies because I don't know if it does show because I've only just recently installed Izzy and had a good look at it properly. Haven't looked at the source code. Don't think I necessarily really need to for a minute. What's this about? Oh yeah, the little baby cargo container. Yeah, a small cargo container for the large shipping station. Looking at the volume capacity and its weight, because obviously when you take a ship up and it's full, you need to know how much it's going to hold. The large cargo container I haven't done much to just yet. Like I said, I'm doing it brick for brick, but I was currently fiddling about, and I'll slowly need resources soon, so I'll have a little dig later on down in here, and so I don't think I guess I can. Cool. Let me show you what's going on over there. This is the machine. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, because I haven't got my HUD up, I can't see if I've got dampeners enabled or not. Right. Where is the Chungus? Over here. Oh, the lag is unreal, especially when recording. Admittedly, I could change the graphic settings, but whatever. I have installed the refinery with a reasonable amount of yield shields, or yeah, and I've started building an O2 farm so I can fill up my hydrogen tank later, because I'm going to want to get off this planet at some point. When? That's the biggest question. I mean, I need to get up in space with a little baby shuttle, to be quite honest. There's no point trying to build a big bathtub down here. It's just, as you should know, it just won't get up into space. This is staying at home for obvious reasons. There's no way I'm taking that up to the planet. Tim's installed. I need some thrusters apparently. What else do I need? Some small tubes as well. Let's just get 1,000 small tubes going. I need some power. I need iron. Okay. Is that right? Do I need iron? Yeah, okay, right. So as you can see, Tim's quite helpful, telling you exactly what you need to dig or find. If memory serves me correctly, there's a dump of iron somewhere close, so I'll probably dig that up. But yeah, that's a very brief run round of my base for 30 seconds. I've enabled wolves and such, but they generally just come to me, and I've generally got a turret close by the machine, so saying that, I'm expecting them to arrive. And daytime, but daytime's not here until later. Well, yeah, I know. It's inaccurate, as it says. I only installed Izzy yesterday, so don't expect it to have learnt much yet. Although she is kind of pointing in the right direction. Ow. How close is sunrise, just to show her off? I should have put a piston on it, but I wasn't expecting to build this here. But yeah, so Space Engineers for 30 seconds, not much is going on. Cheers.